In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then click on lock screen at the top and click on screen lock. Following that, select one of the available login methods by clicking on the best one: PIN, password or pattern. Now it's finally time to create it. Hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, select confirm also at the bottom right corner. Then manage lock screen notifications by adjusting all of those options, or switch them off or on thanks to this switcher at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit done at the bottom. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!